Did you get it? Did you get it? You want to go a little bit farther? Look at it. Dad, help you up.
We started here, okay? But lately we kind of gone like this.
Go get it. Oh! He just threw up all over the crowd. You think that's funny? Who do you think's gonna clean that up? Who do you think's gonna clean that up? All right, I guess Daddy is. Okay, we're still videotaping for all intents and purposes. Okay. I gotta try and get that off your face. I know you think that's funny too. Okay. Come get it. Come get it. Go get it. He's working up to it. He's working up to it. Come on, get it. Good boy. See ya. Now that I'm over here, it's not that exciting. Yeah, say that gremlin's funny. Oh, you just want to grab me, huh? You just want to grab me? Oh, you gonna show everyone how you set up? There you go. Oh, you set up. I got it on tape before your mom even saw it.
Oh my God, I still haven't seen it.
Oh my goodness. There's Mama in there making us dinner. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm going to throw this at you. Good catch. Good catch. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say it. Something. All right.